In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with text boxes in Canva. If you've ever tried to add a headline, organize body text, or fit a paragraph neatly into a design, you already know that text can make or break the final look. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier once you know where the right tools are and how to use them properly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open a design, insert a text box quickly, adjust its size and shape, fine-tune the text formatting, and export your finished project with confidence. And to begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to canva.com and sign in if needed. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you'll start a new project and choose the format that best fits what you're making. After clicking that button, a menu will appear with different design sizes and templates. Choose the canvas size that matches your goal. For example, you might select presentation for a widescreen layout or Instagram post in portrait format for social media content. Once the blank canvas opens, it's a good idea to turn on margins so you can keep your text inside a safe, balanced area. To do that, click File, then View Settings, and select Show Margins. Now let's add a text box in the fastest way possible. Make sure your canvas is active, then press the T key on your keyboard once. Canva will instantly place a text box onto the canvas. This shortcut saves time and is especially useful when you're building layouts quickly. Next, double-click inside the text box and type your text. Around the box, you'll notice different handles. The side handles let you control the width of the text box, which changes when the text wraps onto the next line. This is useful when you want more control over paragraph shape or headline length. The corner handles allow you to scale the text box and font size more broadly, helping you make the text larger or smaller while keeping everything visually consistent. Once the size feels right, highlight your text and use the formatting toolbar at the top. Here, you can change the font and refine the overall look. You can also open the spacing tool to adjust letter spacing and line spacing. These small changes can make your design feel much cleaner, more readable, and more professional. Finally, drag your text into position and watch for Canva's alignment guides to help you place everything neatly. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if you want sharp digital quality, or PDF print if you're preparing something for high quality printing. Then click Download to save your design. And that's it. You now know how to work with text boxes in Canva in a simple, efficient way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next